Here I have a puffer inhaler given to me by my colleague, and it wasn't working because when you pull it out, there's these two little contact pins, and one of them was stuck in. The one on the left was okay, but the right one, you can see that it's not sticking out. And so I opened it up. It's a little bit, there's two screws on the top that you can remove, but when trying to get out it comes from the bottom, and it did take a little bit of figuring out. What I ended up was just pulling it a little bit at the bottom, and it was able to come out. There is that little button on the side. I think there's this little plastic ring that kind of holds it in, and that's why it wasn't just shaking out. But after I was able to just pull it, and I saw that the issue was there was some corrosion because the mouthpiece would have been washed, and so a little bit of liquid got on that contact pin. But I did, after taking it apart, I did fix it. How I fixed it, I just used a little butane torch and heated up that pin, and the pin now comes out. It's just only halfway, but it's enough for that contact, and so I don't have to replace that pin. It should be good enough there. And then just use some wire to brush it up there, get the contacts working, and just put it back together, and then it should be good to go. You can see the pins sticking out, and so it'll go onto the contact for the little puffer there. So that's the fix there. Simple fix, just using a little bit of heat.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.